So sorry, I was wrong. We're not gonna do problem number 2 of chapter 4.8, but we're gonna do problem number 6 of that same chapter. So in this question, we're asked to determine the masses of both the reactant, so Ca3PO42 and 3H2SO4. So first, to do that, we're gonna find out how many moles of calcium sulfate there is. So knowing that there is 100 kilogram, so question number 6 of chapter 4.8. So there is 100 kilogram of calcium sulfate. So we need to put that in grams. So that's equal to 100 times 10 to the power of 3. And then we have to find how many mole. We're going to divide that 100 times 10 to the power of 3 divided by the molar mass of calcium sulfate. So that's 136.14, and that's equal to 734.5. So moles of CaSO4. So then, now that we have the number of mole of CaSO4, we can easily find the number of mole of Ca3PO42, because we just need to divide it by 3. So 734.5 divided by 3 is equal to 244.8 mole of Ca3PO42. Okay, so now we need to find how many gram that is equal to. So we're gonna do so we're going to do 244.8, and that's the mole of Ca3, times the molar mass, and that's 310.18. So that's equal to 75.9 kilograms. We transferred it from gram to kilogram, so kilogram. But we know that that was only 75% effective. So what we need to do now is so we know that 75% of x is going to be equal to 75.9. So we can easily solve that. So x is going to be equal to 75.9 divided by 0.75. And so if you put that into your calculator, you should get 101, approximately 101 kilograms. So that's going to be the real answer for that problem. So there is 101 kilogram of Ca3PO42, and now we just need to do the same thing for the 3H2SO4. So what we're gonna do there, we're gonna find out how many mole there is. So it's just gonna be the same amount of CaSO4. So there's gonna be 734.5 mole of H2SO4. So now that we have the amount of mole, we need to find how many kilogram that's equal to. So we just need to find the molar mass, and the molar mass is going to be equal to, so 74.5 times the molar mass is equal to 98.08, and so we're going to get the mass. So that's going to be equal to the mass. And then if we do the same thing we did last time. So we get that mass into kilograms, and then we divide it by 0.75. So the mass we got there divided by 0.75, and that's gonna be equal to, so it's gonna be equal to 96.1 kilograms. So that's the answers to the problem. So 98.04. So it's gonna be 96.1 kilogram of H2SO4, and it's gonna be 101 kilogram of Ca3PO4 too. So yeah, here we go. The problems are done.